Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm so excited because we're going to be doing an unboxing of my baby bag that I received. I haven't even opened it. It's in the box still because I want to do it together with you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the box that my diaper bag came in. I received it, I believe, yesterday, so it hasn't been too long. So I haven't even opened it, so I don't even know what it looks like inside, but this is the first time that I'm buying like an expensive diaper bag. Is that what you guys call it? Baby bag, storage bag, whatever. I was like looking at different designs like online, like different people there was one that I was looking at, but I just didn't like the top. It kind of like a bucket bag, and you had to like unzip it on top, and it was literally the same price as this. So I was like, and I really like this one. I've seen a lot of reviews. One of my girlfriends here on YouTube has it. I really liked it. I was like, you know what, I'll just bite the bullet and get it. This is just one time, because always in the past, you guys, I'm so cheap. I bought them at Walmart, Target. I still have like my last son's diaper bag. Like I still use it for like his clothes and stuff when he goes over to his grandma's house. But I just wanted to like spoil myself this time because it looks so cute. And what I seen online, it looks really cute. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's see if this will work. I have like a little top to open. So I'm so excited to like hopefully be spacey. It was spacey what I seen online. And I already cleaned the box, you guys, because I like to like sanitize everything, so I cleaned it already. So here it is. Let me take my little receipt out because you guys don't need to know where I live. So here is how it looks inside the box. We have this big old thing. I'm just gonna throw that somewhere. And here it is, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it's probably gonna be in the title of the video. So this is the Happ diaper bag. I decided, since I'm having a girl, to get a dusty pink color. I like the black, but I just decided since it's a little girl, we're gonna go ahead and do dusty pink. So they were doing a promotion for the holidays. They give you like, what is it, the diaper thing, little plastic thing you put when you change your diapers, and it has a little puff and a dust bag. It says that it came with. So it was like a whole promotion on it. So how much this cost was $179, you guys. So it was very pricey. They do offer afterpay on there. But I just hope that it lives up to the money that I spent on it, girl. So it's cute because it came like in its own dust bag. I guess normally it doesn't because it was like a promotion. So here it is. Let's open it. I don't know if I'll ever use a dust bag, so I'm just going to have it out. But for now, I will. So here is the bag, you guys. Look at how cute. It's like a backpack. You see that? There's the straps. And they're like spongy, so they're not going to like hurt your back or anything. It has this detail. And also you can hang it. Has a little hanger with it, and it does feel very hefty, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. And here's the detail in the front. It has this right here, so it makes it look really cute. And then let's open it inside. So first I see it has like the zipper where you can add stuff in there, and then the inside. So it does come with another strap, so if you don't want to hang it, you can just use it like a purse. And okay, so far, okay, it looks spacey to me. It doesn't look bad. So here is the inside of it, you guys. You can like stuff it with stuff. And diaper, and you can put bottles there, and it has like a little zipper right here in the front. Let's see. Okay, so if you want to put snacks or snacks for yourself, see that? You can put it in there. And I love the detail on it, you guys. So far, I'm really impressed. It's like really cute, you guys. So I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to show you the other accessories that it came with. So it came with this little puff ball that you can hang on the side. I don't know if this comes with it, like if you don't buy it with a promotion, but it has like this little puffer. This little puffer is cute. And it's like shedding hair, like a cat. And then this is the little thing that I was telling you guys about. So when you change the baby somewhere, you can set this down first before you change your diaper. Oh, and it's cute. It's pretty good size. It's not that small, so it's pretty big, taller. Probably when they even turn 1, you can still use this. So the ones you get at Walmart, they already come with it, but they're like plastic material. This one, it feels not plastic, but it feels like you can wash it and it's not gonna get dirty, and it's like spongy, so it's comfortable for the baby when you change them, so it's not like really hard on them or like super cold when you lay them down. That's all it came with. Those were like the extras that it came with for their promotion sale. I got the dusty pink one, and it was $179 plus tax. So once I have like all her stuff, because I'm still like buying stuff here and there, so once I have it, like when I'm fully prepared, I hope to be in the next 2 months, maybe sooner, because she's gonna be here fast. I will show you guys what I pack inside. So her diapers, bottles, and all that, wipes and all that good stuff. So once I have all that ready, I will do like a review of how it holds stuff in there. But I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys so we can open it together. So far, the quality of it feels nice and hefty. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It looks spacious. So we'll see once I pack everything in there. I might even pack my stuff in there, like the hospital bag, because we probably won't be there that long. So I probably won't pack too much stuff for her. But we'll see. So once it gets closer to the time, I can definitely do like a what's in my hospital bag video. So if you guys are interested to see what I'm going to pack in there. But that concludes this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like these type of videos, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Share my video. Share it to your grandma, your tias, your sisters, anybody who wants to watch my videos. If you guys like watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.